So welcome to the bread soup cooking process. So a quick recap: preparation time 10 minutes, cook time 30 minutes, total time 40 minutes. Ingredient: Allinson wholemeal bread, 4 onions, 2 turnips, 1 stick of celery, butter, finely chopped parsley, 8 pints of water, half pint of milk. Let's go through the cooking process. We have to soak the crust in water before for 2 hours before they are put over the fire. Means we have to soak the bread crust in water for 2 hours before they are put over the fire, and next we have to cut up the small dice of vegetables and add them to the bread with butter, pepper and salt to taste. Next, allow all to simmer gently for 1 hour and then rub the soup through a sieve and return it to the saucepan by adding milk and parsley. If the flavor is light, then we could add a little grated nutmeg, boil the soup up and serve it once. So mostly you have to remember that we have to soak the crust in water for 2 hours before we start the cooking, and then we can add the diced vegetables with butter and pepper and salt according to taste, and we have to sim it gently for 1 hour, then rub the soup through a sieve and again return into the saucepan by adding milk and parsley. And additionally, if the flavor is good, then we can add a little grated nutmeg and boil the soup up and serve immediately. So nutritional fact: calories 333 calorie, carbohydrate 68 gram, protein 13 gram, fat 2 gram, sodium 2140 mg, potassium 776 mg, fiber 6 gram, sugar 15 gram, vitamin A 1750 IU, vitamin C 28.4 mg, calcium 123 milligram, iron 6 milligram. Thank you, and please try this healthy soup and stew dish.